Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use two different search engines in Safari on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down and find out Safari, then tap Safari. Here, first search engine Google selected. Turn off also use in private browsing. A new option of private search engine will appear. Tap on it and select the search engine of your choice for your private browsing mode. Select one and go back to settings. Then close Settings app. Now open Safari and search anything. For first one you will see Google search engine. Tap the box tab icon on bottom right. Then tap private browsing mode. Search anything on this private browsing mode. Here you will find your second search engine. Simply slide to change search engines. So these are the steps to use two different search engines in Safari on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.